What's going on, everyone? I'm Toren from Serviceside, and we're doing our gear workshop here. So I just wanted to go over my bow setup for 2020. This year I'm going to be shooting a ILF Longbow. This is a CD archery riser with a DOS limbs. The bow's 45 pounds at 28 inches. I'm shooting roughly 30 inches, so it's right around that 51, 52 pound mark, which is plenty for a whitetail. ILF is basically international limb function, and what that means is that these limbs basically can be swapped out with any other ILF limb, and I could shoot recurve limbs out of this, I could shoot lower poundage limbs out of this, so on and so forth. So if you have questions about that kind of stuff, I know the basics. Caleb Fleece is actually a really good resource within the group. Hit him up, and he can tell you a little bit more than I can. I can just give you the basics. However, I do want to go into the arrows here that I'm shooting. I'm shooting the Carbon Tread arrows by Victory, and then they're tipped with the new Ironwood wide broadheads. I'm running a 4-fletch system. These are the AE trad vanes. 4-inch trad vanes. They made these vanes to be able to be shot off a riser. So let's say that like one of these arrows is the riser. The vane will actually mash down and won't kick off your riser. So they basically work just like feathers would. Not only, and this is pretty typical of me, but not only do I have the iron wheels in there, I also have VPAs as well. All the broadheads are 125 grain. I have 200 grains point weight up front, and my total arrow weight is 590. So I do actually know a lot about arrows and arrow builds. So if you have questions there, hit me up, toren@serviceside.com. If you just want to talk trad archery, that kind of stuff, you can also get a hold of me. Hit us up in the DM as well.